Hey everyone, this is Hannah here. I'm going to show you here today how to get to our Google Hangout. That way we can all chat together here while we are on distance learning. So let's go ahead and get started right away. First thing you're going to do is click into your Google Chrome. And so once you're onto the Google homepage here, what you want to do is try to find this little spot right here that says Google Apps. And you're going to click on it. And then I'll show you two different ways on how to get to our Google Hangout. So the first thing you can do is you can scroll down here to the Google Meet. You can simply click that button and it's going to bring you to the Google Meet page. So I set up a example Hangout meeting here for you guys. So what you would do is once you're on this page, since it is 2:15 as you can see, that would be the start of the class Hangout. So what I would do is I'd click that button and then it would bring us to the Google Hangout. Hey everyone! So then everything is all good. So it says no one else is here because I didn't add anybody to this one. But this is where you would check your microphone. You can turn it on or off. And then here's where you would turn on your camera, or if you don't want yourself seen, you just turn your camera off. And you can do that at any time during the Google Hangout. So then once you're ready to go, you would be able just to hit join now, and it would bring you into our class hangout here. And what you're able to do is you would be able to see who's all in the chat, and it would show everyone that's here. Otherwise, what you can do too is you can go to the chat feature here and you can type a message and you can send it. And that way you can communicate that way as well, so not everyone's talking over each other at once. And say we're doing like some instruction, what you can do here is you can mute yourself so that no one else can hear you. Or again, if you don't want anyone to see you, you can also mute your camera and then it would just show yourself talking here. And you can also mute and have no camera. So if we were doing a lesson, you would be able to just turn all of that off so there's not background noise there. And then once the chat is over and done with here, what you can do is you can just hit the leave call button. And once you've gone there, or if you accidentally exit out, you can still click on that Hangout link to go back to that chat. So that is the Google Hangout, and that's how you get there by using the Meet button on the Google homepage. Now I'm also going to show you another way how to get there. So I'll exit out. Here's my puppy. So what we're going to do is, again, go back to the Google Chrome page, and then we're going to go back to the Google Apps, this 9 little dots right here. You're going to click it, and this time we're going to go to our Google Calendar. So if I click that button, it's going to bring me to my Google Calendar. See, look, I have a lot of stuff going on here. So today's the 9th. So what we're going to do is, since we're going to the class hangout, what I would do is I would find that and I would click on it and this little screen will pop up. And then what you're going to do is you can join the Hangouts if you have the camera. And say you wanted to use your phone, you'd be able to join by phone right here. And once you called this number here, you would type in your PIN and you would be on the call. But we're going to show you how to do the video screen here. So what you would do is you would click on this right here, the Join Google Hangouts Meet. Click that, and look, it brings you right back to where we were before. And then it's the same thing like we did last time. You can join now. You can turn your microphone off if you don't want to speak, or turn your video off. It's a good idea to check this out, make sure everything works here before you join the call, to make sure that everyone can hear. You can check your microphone to make sure it's working. See this little bar here? As I'm talking, it's moving. If I'm quiet, it shuts off. So that's how that feature works. And that is all I have for you guys here today. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to just post them onto our Google Classroom or reach out to Janine, Josh, or myself. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a good rest of your day.